Say hey, Fifi. Hey, Alexa. Hey, Fifi. Yeah, I don't know what I did with my mic. So, yeah. So I'm about to pack my lunch. My friend made some steak and rice and she bought me some. So I'm about to eat that for lunch. Here, Fifi, y'all. I told you she's... What are you doing? What are you doing, Fifi? I don't know what she want because I already fed her. What do you want? What do you want, Fifi? What do you want, Bookie? She right there. Fifi, what do you want? You say hi? No, she don't want to talk. No. No. She was about to jump. Don't knock off the camera, Fifi. So my lunch is packed. Now I have to go get my vitamins. Elderberry and multivitamin. So I'll take 2 in one. One elderberry and 2 multivitamins. I do not know where my mic is at. That's so crazy. Here's my Trader Joe's bag. Not a big energy drinker, but I just need a little pick me up, y'all. I'm gonna just put a little bit in the water bottle. So I'm bringing my Stanley cup. I'll probably sip on this throughout the day. Yo, I tell you, she followed me all around the house. And I don't mind it, but she literally follows me all around the house. Oh, y'all, I got something from Amazon I wanted to share. Here she go. Say hello. Say hey, Fifi. Say don't forget to subscribe to my mommy's channel. Say don't forget to subscribe. This is my work schedule. See, I told you she followed me. Fifi! She followed me. I told y'all. What are you doing? I'm trying to show them something. How cute, right? Like, so cute. Right? They are so cute. Off of Amazon, y'all. I would try and link them. Remote control. Let me see if you can see it from back here. So, yeah. Here go Fifi, y'all. All right, Fifi trying to jump up here, y'all. I just wanted to say I probably will see y'all tomorrow. Yep, I knew it. I told you she followed me everywhere I go. Look at her. I told you she followed me. Sit, Fifi. Where you going? I had a flower here, but I had to take it down because of her. Don't fall. All right. She's not going to let me sit y'all back up here. But I'm about to finish getting ready. You say bye, Fifi. Look. Yeah, I'm about to finish getting ready, y'all. I probably will see y'all tomorrow because I'm off. But I just wanted to do a really quick get ready with me. Say bye-bye, Fifi. So, yeah, I'm about to... So, oh, Fifi. I'm about to finish getting ready, y'all. Stop it. I'm about to finish getting ready, so I'll see y'all the next time I turn the camera on. Say bye. Fifi. Don't bite. Oh my gosh. Bye.